Hello students, in previous video we have started unit 11, that is profit and loss, and we have discussed that when selling price is more than the cost price, then there is a profit or gain, and when the cost price is greater than the selling price, then there is a loss. And we have started worksheet number 1 and we have completed question number 1. Now today we will start with question number 2, that is solve the following questions. So the first A part is, if cost price of a book is 50 rupees 50 paise and selling price is rupees 65, find the profit or loss. So here the cost price and the selling price of a book is given and we have to find out the profit or loss. So let us do this first part. So worksheet number 1, question number 2, A part, solution of number A. So here the cost price of book gets given, cost price. So in short form we write cost price as C dot P, CP of a book, that is rupees 50 rupees and 50 paise, and selling price of a book is also given, so that is rupees 65, right? Now you can see here that selling price is more than the cost price, so that means there is a profit. When selling price is greater than the cost price, then there is a profit. So here SP, selling price is greater than cost price, so there is a profit. And to find out the profit, what we have to do, we have to find the difference. So profit is equal to rupees 65, or you can say that to find profit we have to subtract selling price minus cost price. So rupees 65 minus rupees 50 paise, right? Subtract it. So what is left is 14 rupees 50 paise. So there is a profit of 14 rupees 50 paise. Similarly, the B part, if the cost of a doll is rupees 195 and the selling price is rupees 181 rupees 50 paise, find the profit or loss. So here again the cost price of a doll and the selling price of a doll is given. So B part, so cost price of a doll and selling price of a doll is given. So what is cost price? That is rupees 195 and selling price is rupees 181 rupees and 50 paise, right? So you can see here that here cost price is greater than the selling price. Here cost price is greater than selling price. So that means there is a loss. And to find out loss, what we have to do, we have to subtract we have to find the difference. So 195 rupees minus rupees 181 rupees 50 paise, subtract it. So what is left is 13 rupees and 50 paise, right? 13 rupees and 50 paise. So there is a loss of 13 rupees 50 paise. Now similarly the next one, if the cost price of a pen is rupees 19 and the selling price is rupees 24, is there a gain or loss, and how much? So again all the questions, these remaining questions are also of same type. Here the cost price and the selling price are given, and what we have to do is you have to find out the gain or loss. Gain means profit, so profit or loss or gain or loss both are same, and how much, so you have to find the difference. So try to do these two parts yourself. Let us discuss the other situations. Let us discuss this one. Sunil buys a car for rupees 300. He pays rupees 25 as transport charges and sell it to Mr. Arun for rupees 420. Now find his profit or loss. So you can see here that Sunil buys a chair for rupees 300, right? This is the cost price of chair. Now he pays 25 as transport charges. So transport charges भी उसने पे किए, 300 रुपीज की चेयर परचेज की और साथ में 25 रुपीज उसने उस चेयर को लाने के लिए ट्रांसपोर्ट चार्जेस भी दिए. सो वो भी उसने अपने पॉकेट से ही दिए. सो जो ये 25 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा लगे उसको ट्रांसपोर्ट करने चार्जेस के, वो भी वो उसके कॉस्ट प्राइस में ऐड करेगा. वाई? बिकॉज ये जो मनी है, जो एक्स्ट्रा मनी स्पेंड किया है उसने, वो भी क्या हो गया, उसका कॉस्ट प्राइस में ही ऐड करना पड़ेगा, तभी वो उसका एक्चुअल कॉस्ट प्राइस बनेगा. एंड देन ही सेल इट for rupees 420. So this is the selling price. So then you can find out the gain or loss. So here cost price of a chair is given rupees 300, then transport charges rupees 5, then the actual cost price of a chair, right? Actual cost price वो होता है जो हमारे एक्स्ट्रा मनी भी स्पेंड होता है उसकी लाने के लिए, या जो ट्रांसपोर्ट चार्जेस या कोई किसी भी चीज़ के लिए जो हम उसके ऊपर स्पेंड करते हैं, अपनी पॉकेट से उस पर लगाते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो इंक्लूड इन द कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो 325 is the actual cost price, and then selling price is 420. Now you can easily find out the profit or loss. So here since selling price is more than cost price, so Sunil makes a profit. So here selling price is more than the cost price. And now to find the profit, you know what we have to do, selling price minus cost price, and we can find out the profit. Now the next questions are based on this only. For example, first one, a vegetable seller bought potatoes for rupees 200. This is the cost price of the potatoes. Now he spent rupees 20 on transport. So transport पे भी उसका spend किया है उसने 20 rupees. So first of all you have to find out the actual cost price of potatoes, and then sold for rupees 290. So this is the selling price. Find the profit or loss. So let us do this question. So do solve the remaining parts of worksheet number 1, that is C and D part. We'll discuss this question number 1 of solution number A, worksheet number 2. So here the cost price or CP of potatoes. Cost price of potatoes is rupees 200 and spent on transport. That is rupees 20, right? Now to find the actual cost price, actual CP of potatoes. CP stands for cost price. So actual cost price of potatoes, for that we have to add these two. So that is rupees 220, right? Now here the selling price is also given. Selling price of potatoes. So what is the selling price of potatoes? That is rupees 290. So now you will not see this cost price. You have to see this actual cost price of the potato. अब ये हमने देखना है, इसको हमने बिल्कुल भी नहीं देखना है. दिस इज द एक्चुअल कॉस्ट प्राइस. नाउ compare these two, actual cost price and selling price of the potatoes. So 220 is the actual cost price and selling price is 290. So which one is greater? So here again selling price is greater than cost price, so there is a profit. There is a profit or gain. Now you have to find out the profit also. So profit is equal to सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस. जो हमारा ज्यादा होता है उससे माइनस करते हैं. लॉस में हम कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस करते हैं बिकॉज उसमें कॉस्ट प्राइस ज्यादा होता है. सो सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. ₹290 is our selling price minus ₹220 is our cost price. So there is a profit of ₹70, right? So vegetable seller made a profit of ₹70. Now similarly, the next question, Mr. Gupta bought a car for 40,000 rupees. He spent ₹8,000 for painting it. If he sold a car for ₹53,000, find the gain or loss. Now you can see here that this is the cost price of a car and he spent 8,000 rupees for painting it. So जो पेंट किया कार को वो मनी भी तो उन्होंने अपने पास से ही पॉकेट से ही दिया है. So that will also get add in the cost price. After adding it we get the actual cost price. So जब भी हम कोई चीज परचेज करते हैं जो हमें कॉस्ट प्राइस दिया होता है उसके ऊपर अगर और भी कोई मनी स्पेंड होता है उसको ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में किसी और पर्पज में, सो दैट ऑल्सो इंक्लूड इन द कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो लेट अस डू दिस क्वेश्चन बी पार्ट ऑल्सो. सो सॉल्यूशन नंबर बी. Here cost price of a car, that is ₹40,000. Now spent for painting it, that is ₹8,000. Now actual cost price, actual CP of car, actual cost price, add them, that is 48,000, right? So 48,000 is the actual cost price. Now selling price of a car, that is ₹53,000. Now you can see here परचेज कितने में हुआ है 48,000. ये नहीं देखना है हमने कॉस्ट प्राइस, एक्चुअल कॉस्ट प्राइस हम देखेंगे. सो कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ अ कार इज 48,000 and he sell it for ₹53,000. So again you can see here there is a profit because selling price is greater than the cost price. So that means there is a gain. तो गेन क्यों है? क्योंकि यहाँ पर सेलिंग प्राइस ज्यादा है. सो टू फाइंड आउट द गेन और प्रॉफिट वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो दैट मीन्स ₹53,000 minus ₹48,000, right? So 53 minus 48 is ₹5,000 is the gain. So Mr. Gupta made a profit or gain of ₹5,000. So we have 3 more questions left in this worksheet. Read these questions and try to solve them. So in next video we will discuss them. Thank you.